Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to change the YouTube category. First of all, we have to go on YouTube. Then, click on the channel logo icon. Click on YouTube Studio. Next to Settings. Click on Upload Defaults. After Advanced Settings, here are the category sections. Here we will find several categories. Among that, we have to select our channel-related category. And finally, click on the Save button. Our category changing process is ended. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you again on another tutorial. Until stay safe and happy.